watching one Google ad, you get paid $12. By watching 10 Google ads, you get $20. And complete beginners are withdrawing money every single day from this free website. And in fact, I will show you 7 different free websites where you can get paid to click. So drop a like to this video and let's begin with website number 1 out of 7, which is this one right over here, which and so far they paid out $200,000, and so far their members made $600,000 on this website. What you have to know about this website: it's also very sustainable, meaning there is not gonna be a way where you just create an account and then one day you see one ad and then there are no ads for 7 days. No, they're actually very consistent with the ads that they're posting on here, and you can get paid again about $2 per ad you view. Now the website in question is PTC Share. You can check out the earners right over here, so you can see that people are actually making money with this app from all over the world. And it says create an account to start earning. So just click on the register button, then choose a username for your account, something unique, create a password for your account, and then as you do so, enter your email address, and then you can also repeat the same email address here, and then just click on I'm not a robot and then agree to the terms of service and click on create an account. Now as you do so, we're then gonna click on login right over here, and then again I'm not a robot and click on login. The second website is right over here, where they basically say that today everyone can work online. You can get paid to invite friends, watch ads, and complete other tasks. But as you can see, you get your attention from brands using ads is the perfect way to earn money with this website. You can also invite friends and earn $5 per person that you invite, and you can also get paid from anywhere in the world, and it's absolutely free. I also dug deeper to see if people are actually getting paid with this website, and I've seen that this person made $100, this person made $100 here as well. People are sharing their payouts, $70 right over here, and the website in question is called CashWeb, and you can just click on the sign up now button over here, then just enter your full name, email address, and password, and then also enter your birthday, and just click on the sign up button, and that's gonna create your account where you can get paid to click on ads. Now my balance so far is $10, so what I will need to do is I will need to start clicking on these different ads in order to get paid. As you can see, this one pays 62 cents, this one pays 57 cents, 46 cents, 45 cents, and then once you have enough money, you just have to click on the withdraw button here on the left side, where you can just cash out your earnings. The next app on our list is called Swash App, and they pay you to literally just browse online and do whatever you're already doing, and so far they've paid out over 7 million times. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up, and you can get paid while browsing. So in order to create an account, you just click on Get Swash, you then click on Add to Chrome, and then every single time that you browse Google and you click on ads, or ads are shown on your search, you're gonna be paid for that. You're gonna have a dashboard like this where you can withdraw your money and earn money in different ways as well, but mainly by clicking on Google Ads while you're already searching for something. That brings me to our next website, which pays you 5 to 10 cents per click on these ads. And so you get paid to visit websites on Google, and the website in question is called Serve Clicks. Now the reason they pay you is because there are a lot of companies that come to this website and they pay them to find people like me and you who are gonna search for keywords related to their website, click on those ads, and because that's gonna increase their click-through rate, it's also gonna help them rank higher on Google and get more real customers. So there is no application needed. You literally get paid at least 5 cents per click. You just click here to get started. It's almost instant. You create an account by entering an email address, and then you just create a password right over here, then enter your PayPal email address, how you would like to get paid, confirm that address, and then just click submit. Now keep in mind that this only works for these browsers. So if you're using Chrome like I am, you can install Microsoft Edge. You can do that for free on official Microsoft website. You can just download their browser instead, because there you can search in Google and get paid by clicking on ads that are shown. Next website you receive through Google, and unfortunately this app is only available for Android, and as of right now I just have 2 iPhones. So what I did is I went outside before this video and I bought 2 Android phones so that I can test all of these different apps and websites that we're talking about. So regardless of whether you have an iPhone or Android, you can use one of the apps that we're going to be talking about through this video. But with this one, you get paid about 10 to 40 cents per SMS you receive, which is pretty cool because you don't necessarily have to do any extra work from there. You just install the app and it's called Cash for SMS Today, and you can just click install Cash SMS and download. The next website on our list allows you to earn money every time you go online. You get paid to complete surveys, click on Google Ads, play video games, and there are also a bunch of other tasks, amongst which is clicking on websites and ads that are available on Google. Now you get paid in these points, and you can redeem those points for real dollars in cash. You can also watch videos and watch ads to get paid, but in this case, you would just have to go to Get Paid To, click on Join Free Today, and as you do so, you're gonna verify that you are not a human. You're gonna choose a username over here, create a password for your account, confirm the same password, enter an email address, then confirm that same email address here, then enter your first and last name, and enter your birthday and country as well. Then just click on complete registration. Now the next app is also available only for Android phones, and it effectively pays you to click on ads and receive SMS. And they tell you that you let your mobile plan just earn money for you. And what they also claim is that you effectively get paid while almost doing nothing. So it says that there is simply no better way to make good passive income cash without having to do anything with their app. Now the only problem is that they don't pay a lot of money. So you can calculate your earnings. If you have 3 SMS cards, then you effectively get paid up to $54 per month, or it can go as high as 180 euros a month, which is about $200 every single month from this app if you have an Android. But one thing that's available for everyone around the world is our free community, where we give away money almost every single day, and single day to the members of this free community. So if you want to join that, it's going to be linked in the description box down below. All you gotta do is respond to posts when we share these. I basically just say, hey, comment on this post so that we know that you are still in the community, and then we pick randomly one of the members and give them $200, and we do that almost every single day. So if you don't want to miss that, it's completely free, link in the description below.
You don't want to miss this. By the way, this is Samantha. She made over 200 grand in 11 days, but that's not the cool part. What is actually fascinating is that now thousands of people are copying exactly what she's doing and are making between $1,000 and $50,000 a month. And all of these people started with no previous experience and as complete beginners, without having any social media followers and without investing any money in risky schemes. So if you want to see exactly what Samantha and all